Susan wanted to do away with a little niche that we had. It was built into the wall, so I am boarding it up, and we're going to put sheetrock up and make this part of the seamless wall. Ralph Man's Outdoors. We've had this niche since we moved in about 7-8 years ago. But we're doing some renovations in the house, and so Susan's ready to get rid of it. So let's turn it into a regular old wall. We've got it framed up. Next comes the sheetrock. Because what Susan wants, Susan gets. I've almost got it walled up. We got to put in this piece and then tape and mud it. All the pieces are in. So now we've got to mud, tape, and float. The niche wall is almost complete. I've got to add a little bit more mud to it in a couple of places to make sure that it's perfectly smooth. Then we'll sand it and be ready to paint. I am by no means a professional, so give me all the tips you want to down in the comments below. I'm just a guy trying to keep my wife happy. You know what I'm talking about. Let's see what we can do. We pretty much got it all mudded up. Now we're just going to sand. I'm just going to wipe this down and see if we need any more. After that, it's ready for painting. Susan's finished wall. She's also got it painted.